everyone, welcome back to my Porch Prints. This is the second video in a series. We are making a beginner's junk journal, and we created this junk journal and now we're getting ready to decorate it. And so today I've got a project for us. We're going to be making a kind of snippet roll. If you haven't heard of those, it's basically just like a piece of fabric or lace or something like that, and you add little pieces to it, and then you usually sew them together, but we're going to actually be gluing ours. And this project was actually inspired by Sparkle's Creations Art. She used some of these same things to make a snippet roll, and I thought it was really cute, so we're going to go ahead and try to do one today as well. So I've got pieces from the kit we were using, the letter writing kit from my Etsy shop, and I'll put links down below to all of these things. And so some of these pieces are from the kit, and then some of them are also from a freebie on my Facebook group. So if you hop over to my Facebook group and join up, you can check under the Files tab and find a freebie with these cute little Happy Mail pieces in it. So that's what we're going to be using to make our snippet roll, along with some pieces from our letter writing kit. So go ahead and just follow along. I will maybe add some comments, but I probably won't talk through this whole thing because I find it easier to craft if I can just concentrate on my crafting rather than talking about what I'm doing. So I'm going to go ahead and craft and you follow along. Thanks, guys. Okay, so our snippet roll is all dry now, and we're going to go ahead and cut some pieces off and use them to make these hidden paper clips. And these are something I've made on previous videos, and it's just a paper clip hidden inside of here so that you can use this as a little embellishment over the edge of a page. So we're going to go ahead and do that today. And to start with, I've got a couple pieces of cardstock here. And I've got a kind of large size paper clip, and it's really simple. We're just going to, I'm gonna pull it apart just a little bit, not a lot, but just a little. And then we're going to wrap each side with our paper. And I've already pre-measured these, but what you would do is just slip the piece of cardstock over the edge of the paper clip and fold it in half. And then we'll glue that into place, and then we'll repeat that with the other side. And you want to get the glue all the way around so that it completely covers the paper clip. And that'll help keep it tight inside of here so it doesn't slip out later. And then we'll do that on this side as well. Just slip the paper into the clip and then fold it over. There we go. And when this is finished drying, it'll look something like this. Nothing too exciting to look at right now, but then that's how it slips over the edge of your page. Just like that. So I've got a couple here that we can decorate with our snippets. And what you'll want to do is try to cut them to the same size so that they match up on both sides of the paper clip, just like that. So what I want to do is kind of put this over my paper clip and see how big of a piece I'm going to need to cover this white part. And then I'll cut it there. And then I'll cut a piece of the same size, roughly, to go on the back. This looks like it'll work. Okay, and so we just choose whichever one you want to glue on one side, and make sure you get the glue just on this part of the paper. You don't want to accidentally glue it here or you'll glue your paper clip shut. So just on this part. And you'll want to leave a little space at the top right here because we're going to actually glue these together to hide this white piece. So we'll glue those together right there. Apply my glue and then apply it at the top here too. There we go. And we'll let this dry for a little bit before we try to use it. And we'll make another one. So I'm going to add a little bit to the bottom of this because you can see that if I glue it down, I'm going to have white showing here. So I'm going to add a little something to the bottom of that. And then while those are drying, I'm going to make this little dangly tag here. I don't know if you can see that. And how we do that is I've got this paper. I bought this on Amazon. It's like a fabric, like a cotton or cloth paper kind of. And it's been distressed and aged. And I'll try to put a link to it below, but I really like it. It's got a cool feel and look to it, and it's got these like deckled edges. So what I'm going to do is take a couple of the words from this kit, the letter writing journal kit, and I'm going to use those on these tags. And I've got a cool little tool here from HOLTZ, and it's for distressing the edge of paper. And again, I'll put links below to these things. And what you do is you just run it along the edge like this. And it gives the paper kind of a rough edge. So we can match up our kind of cool deckled side here. And I'm going to use a little distress ink. And then I'm going to add these words with a little bit of glue. And then I've got this 1/16 punch. It's a micro punch from Fiskars, I believe. Yeah, Fiskars. And I'm just going to punch a little hole in here. Kind of up in the corner, like that. And then I've got these bulb pins, B-U-L-B. I'll put a link to these down below. I think I have one down below already. And I can get one out. They're just shaped kind of like a light bulb. And you can use these to attach your tag to your hidden paper clip. You just kind of pick a spot where you want it to go. Oh, here's a good spot. Maybe. There we go. And you've got a cute little hidden paper clip, and you can put it over your journal page. If I can get it. It's still kind of drying, so I don't want to accidentally pull it apart. And sometimes it helps to just widen the paper clip a little bit. There we go. Okay, and you've got a cute little embellishment for your page. All right, and in the next video, we'll start decorating some of the pages using items from the kit. Thanks for watching.